arbitrationagreements.org. Today I wanted to talk about a concept that we've all encountered at some point in our lives, but may not have a name for. I am referring to the sunk cost fallacy. Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. First things first, what exactly does the term sunk cost fallacy mean? You see, in the simplest terms, sunk cost fallacy occurs when you continue a behavior or endeavor based on previously invested resources, be it time, money, or even effort, rather than making decisions based on what the future holds. It's like when you keep watching a TV show even though you're not enjoying it anymore, just because you have already watched a few seasons. Now, why should we be wary of falling into this trap? Well, studies have shown that the sunk cost fallacy can lead us to make less than optimal decisions. It affects many aspects of our lives, from small decisions like finishing a meal when we are already full, to larger life decisions such as staying in unfulfilling jobs or relationships. According to a study published in the Psychological Science Journal, about 7 out of 10 people are likely to fall prey to sunk cost fallacy in various situations. But here is where it gets really interesting. Understanding the sunk cost fallacy can actually empower us to make better decisions. Once we're aware of this tendency, we can catch ourselves before falling into the trap and evaluate our choices more objectively. It's all about breaking free from the weight of the past investments and looking ahead to the potential future gains or losses. Here's a small tip to avoid falling prey to this fallacy. Whenever you find yourself sticking to a decision simply because of the investments you have made in the past, take a step back and ask yourself, if I hadn't made these investments, would I still choose to go down this path? This little trick can sometimes open up a new perspective. Remember, the goal is to make decisions that serve your best interests, not to honor sunk costs. So the next time you find yourself clinging to the past, take a moment to reassess and perhaps choose a path that better suits your current situation and future aspirations. For more information on this topic, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about the concept of sunk cost fallacy? Does it make sense to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date with dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.